Hi, welcome to current Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. Firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. Toothbrush is the best tool because it's soft and it's flexible, so you can insert it deep in your charging port and just gently brush out the dirt. Cool. So we need to insert the one part. Wait a while, my camera needs to focus. Okay, so firstly we need to insert the one part of the brush to the connector and brush the dirt out. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.